to our people, man. After generation, man. Okay, good.
After the rudiments of the world and not after Christ.
After who?
After the rudiments of the world and not after Christ.
Because this Christ didn't look like this.
That's right.
Okay, Christ was a so-called Negro according to the scriptures, man.
That's right.
Okay, and that's what a lot of you Latinos and you so-called Negroes gonna find out, man. That Christ is a so-called Negro according to the scriptures.
That's right.
Okay, every year, you guys be worshiping stupid Christmas, and you have this stupid image up on your house.
That's right.
Okay, the scripture shows you what he looks like, tells you what he looks like. Then you be dumbfounded and be like, oh, the color doesn't matter, man. If the color didn't matter, then why did the so-called white man have this image up on the four corners of the earth, man? That's what you should be asking yourself, that question. Why? Why is that image up on the four corners of the earth, man? Okay? Give me Isaiah 29 and 13 again. Isaiah 29 and 13. Because this truth is coming out, man. The Most High word is coming out. Okay? It's coming out in the four corners of the earth, and brothers are waking up, and sisters waking up to who they are as Israelites, okay? Okay? You're going to find out when you're walking down the street in the hood, when you see about 4 or 5 brothers out there speaking the Most High word, you're going to know, yeah, those are Israelites.
That's right.
Okay? You better get with the program, you so-called Negroes. You better get with the program. Right?
Isaiah chapter 29. Isaiah chapter 29, verse 13. Wherefore the Lord said, for as much as the people draw near me with their mouth and with their lips, do honor me.
And that's what, like I said, that's what you so-called Negroes do, man. Especially a lot of women in the so-called, a lot of you black women in these churches, man. Okay? On Sundays. You screaming the Most High's name, you just got out of the club Saturday night, you up in the church on Sunday morning. That don't make any bit of sense, man. No sense. Then when you go to the churches, you got a lot of the homosexuality in the churches, man. You got young men acting like women. Okay? It's madness, man. Madness, right?
But have removed their heart far from me.
You so-called Negroes and Latinos move your heart from the Most High, man. Okay? This place is so messed up. You got brothers right now wearing skinny pants, man. What the heck is that? You go to stores right now, you got a lot of brothers wearing skinny pants, man.
Right.
Okay? Don't even know that you guys being feminized by your enemy.
They don't even sell baggy pants no more,
Right,
man.
you can't even find no baggy pants no more. You got brothers wearing skinny pants, man. That's madness, man.
It's all good.
Got a lot of brothers dressing like homosexuals, man.
At $16 an hour.
Oh.
White man got me sleeping in the street at $16 an hour.
Oh.
Okay.
Got a lot of brothers
White
dressing
man
like
got me sleeping in
homosexuals,
the street
man.
at $16 an hour.
Oh.
That's not a lot of money, brother. The white man got the whole earth. What's your $15 going to do? An hour.
We doing this for free, man. We doing this for free. We ain't for no church either.
That nigga, he finished. That nigga finished.
$50 an hour. That's what he said.
I was making that in my teenage years. He's finished. That's a grown man.
I'm going to show you how dumbfounded our people are,
Grown
man.
man.
I can't believe our own brother came over here and said he makes $15 an hour.
$16 an hour.
That's sad. That's sad. That's nothing, man.
It's a job. It's a job though, but
Right.
you know,
But the way he boasted about it.
he boasted like you
now
making $1 million.
now you gotta correct you.
Like
Now
you
we
making
gotta
$1 million.
Okay? Give me Psalms 114.